It's 3 a.m. and I'm jolted awake by a sound that could only be described as a horror movie scream. I sit up, heart racing, and realize it's my bird mimicking my alarm clock. I've created a monster! Who knew a tiny creature could have such a powerful wake-up call? I thought I was the one training him, but it turns out he's been training me. Every morning, I wake up to his screeches, and I can't help but wonder if he's plotting to take over my sleep schedule. It's like living with a feathered alarm clock that doesn't have a snooze button. I've tried covering the cage, but he just gets louder. So now, instead of peaceful dreams, I'm stuck in a never-ending cycle of wake up! I can't be the only one dealing with this. Do your pets have a similar talent for waking you up?